My car is broken. I am all alone. Oh! I cannot fix this machine!
Hello. I am from a small planet. Look at this flat sand.
Please draw a sheep for me.
This is my planet. It is very small.
I must pull this bad grass out!
Oh, this flower is beautiful and shiny.
Her words are cold. I am very sad.
I love her, but she is always angry.
Goodbye, my rose. I must go to look for friends.
I am flying in the space. It is great.
The little crayfish leaves his home to find friends. I command the stars! Obey me!
Why do you talk to the air?
Goodbye, King. I must find my friends now.
You can't rebel! Get back here! You only want applause. This is funny. Why do you hide your head in the sand? Stars belong to the sky. Why do you count them? Grown-ups are very strange. I am tired. I must light the lamp. The sunset is very beautiful tonight.
You are a geographer. Why do you stay home?
Go visit the Earth. That planet is famous. This is a big sandbox. I like it. Wow, there are so many red flowers here. My flower is not unique. I am very sad. Do not cry, little friend. I am here. Please do not run. I want to be your friend. If you want to play, you must tame me. We are friends now! I am very happy! Your rose is important because you gave her time. Thank you, my friend. I will go back to my rose. Yes! The big engine is working now! Do not be afraid. I must go back to my star. Ah! No! Stay away from him! A flash of gold light shines on his foot. My small friend, please stay with me! The little crayfish is sleeping. He goes back home. Look at the stars. They are very beautiful.
I go to my star. The stars will smile like me.
The small crayfish becomes shiny light. He goes home. My dear friend, where are you now? Many years later, the man is back to the town. I am home now. It is a quiet night. The stars are big. I think of my friend. Look! The stars are blinking very fast! The red crayfish is in the sky now. He smiles. I hear you, my little friend. You are always laughing. Goodbye, little crayfish. I will always look at you. Our stars will always smile. The story is finished now.